morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Thursday, December 17th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, this is Louie Ileana with your best pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow.
Happy birthday today to Cora Brady. We hope you have a great day, Cora. And now for our joke of the day. What does a gingerbread man put on his bed? A cookie sheet. We hope you have enjoyed this week celebrating some holiday cheer by taking part in one or all of our Orchard Hollow theme days before break. Today is Thursday and it's candy canes and gumdrops. Wear your polka dots and stripes today. We are back on our fully remote schedule today. We begin our day promptly at 8:45 and our instructional day will end at 2 p.m. Make it a great day, Huskies!